Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the only supported path. Sync from your iPhone's books/audiobooks to the watch. Make sure both devices use the same Apple ID and are updated. This prevents pairing or DRM issues. Once done, open the Books or Audiobooks app on your iPhone and verify the title is fully downloaded. Then put the Apple Watch on its charger and keep the iPhone close so the watch can receive the audiobook when you initiate the transfer. Now perform the actual transfer. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to Audiobooks. Tap Add Audiobook and choose the title that's already downloaded in Books. Streaming-only items won't sync. The watch will cue the file and begin transferring when the watch is on its charger and connected. This takes time depending on file size. Do not remove the watch from the charger. The sync happens over Bluetooth/Wi-Fi. Keeping the devices close reduces failures. When syncing finishes, open the Audiobooks app on your Apple Watch and select the title to play. You can use Bluetooth headphones. If it doesn't appear, verify available watch storage and that the audiobook is fully downloaded on the iPhone. Make sure both devices are updated and signed into the same Apple ID. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and watch, re-download the audiobook on the phone, and retry Add Audiobook while the watch remains on its charger.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.